Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very easy fridge magnet for Holi festival. As all of you know, Holi is our beautiful colorful Indian festival, and according to the festival I have created here different elements like pichkari, balloon, Holika Dahan, bonfire, some gulal, and of course the sweet gujiya. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 10 cm diameter white color cardboard, and on top of this I am sticking one more cardboard piece to make the base thick and hard. And on top of this, I am adding this beautiful designer flourish paper by Dress My Craft. So the base for magnet is ready. Now I am starting with making the pichkari. For this I am taking this light green color paper which is 18 by 4 centimeters, and I am just making small pipe like this by rolling the paper. Add little glue and secure the end. Then taking pink color thin strip and wrapping it around this pipe to decorate this. And this is done. Then to make the bottom part of the pichkari, that is the handle, here I am taking 20 mm 1/4 strip in blue color and making one tight coil like this and sticking it with the green color pipe. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color in 5 mm, making one tight coil and sticking with the handle. Like this, keep it aside. Then to make the front nozzle of the pichkari, here I am taking half strip of blue color in 5 mm and making one cone shape and sticking it in front of the pipe. And the super cute pichkari is ready. With the same method I have prepared one more pichkari with different colors. Now to start with Holika Dahan bonfire, here I am taking yellow color 15 mm 1/4 strip, just making one pipe like this. Here I am making the wooden sticks on which the fire will burn. So if you have brown color paper you can directly use that, but I don't have brown paper right now, so I am just coloring this with brown acrylic color. After coloring, it will also give little wooden effect or wooden touch to your base because we are using yellow as the base. So to give natural look, it is better to use yellow paper and then color it. Keep it aside for drying, and with the same method we need total 5 wood sticks. Now to make fire, I am taking half strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape like this. So with the same method I have already prepared some with the orange and some with yellow color. Now taking one orange color paper and I'll start sticking these flames like this to create the fire look. And this is done. Now I'm just cutting the excess paper around this shape. And the fire for Holika Dahan is ready. Now starting with making the gulal pots, here I am taking half strip of light brown color in 3mm and wrapping it around the pencil and making one ring dome shape. Add glue inside the dome. So the pot is ready. Now to make gulal, here I am taking 2 strips of light green color or fluorescent green color in 3mm and making one tight dome shape. Add glue inside the dome and just pinch it from top. Similarly, I have pinched the pot little bit and now I am sticking both the parts together. I am pinching both the shapes to make it little flat so that we can stick it on the magnet. And with the same way, I have prepared one more gulal pot. Now I am starting with making the balloons. So to create yellow balloon, here I am taking 2 strips of yellow color in 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Making it as a dome, add glue inside this. And this is done. On the bottom I am going to add small triangle which is made using 1/4 strip, and with the same method I have prepared red and blue balloons. Now to create sweet gujiya, here I am taking half strip of light brown color in 2mm and making one tight bended leaf shape or semicircle and then making a dome shape, and the super cute gujiya is ready in few minutes. So I have created this plate to attach the gujiya which is made using 5 strips of brown color in 2mm, and now I am sticking total 5 gujiya on top of this. So the gujiya platter is completely ready, so cute. Then to make small flowers, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 10mm and making one French strip. So using this French strip I am making French flower. Opening all the fringes, and this is ready. With the similar method I have prepared lots of flowers already. Now taking back the base, all shapes are ready. Now it's time to stick each and every element on top of the base. So I'm starting with sticking the pichkaris. And then on the topmost corner I am going to add banner, which I have made using some quilling strips with simple triangle shape in different colors. So I have added the ribbon using black marker for the banner, and now I am adding these triangles just to give festive look. Then adding bonfire, and to give dimension to the fire, here I am adding some pieces of cardboard on backside of this, and then sticking the fire in the bottom, adding sticks. Like this, and then putting gulal pots. After that adding balloons, so creating the balloon thread using black marker and then sticking all the balloons. And then it's time to attach the gujiya platter along with the flowers. Like this. And now here and there randomly I'm adding some water splashes, which are made using pink color strips in 1/4 and half strips, just to decorate it randomly here and there. And to fill the remaining gap and to add little glimmer to the work, I am adding here yellow color diamond stones. Like this, and the super beautiful magnet is ready. Now it's time to attach the magnet on backside of this. So just adding glue and sticking this strong magnet. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. And our Holi special fridge magnet or the decorative piece is ready. And you can create different colors of pichkaris, or you can add some more different sweets like laddu or balushai or whatever you like, and the decoration part is all up to you. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.